What up, you guys, and welcome back to CHENG'S Aqua. Today I don't have my microphone on, but we've got a new package, and you know I love to do unboxing videos. Yeah, but let's get started. Make sure my name is on it. Yes. So. We got light bulbs. This is for something else completely, but whatever. Also have this. Sounds like something is broken. Guess there's only one way to find out, right? Cut this boy open. We have a bunch of one crack so far. We have ceramic media that goes into the tanks. But gonna have to see how many are actually broken, if I should return it. I mean, it'll work if it's broken like this, but I just hate buying broken stuff. So we'll see. The percentage of it actually did arrive broken. Let me show you guys. All of these are broken some way, somehow. This is what it's supposed to look like. I don't think I'm gonna make the return because I can still use this, but this just is annoying. We'll see if I do return them, but yeah, it sucks. Anyway, let's put these guys in the aquarium. These are great for catching beneficial bacteria. As you can see, they're very porous. Like sandpaper, a lot of holes, a lot of space for beneficial bacteria to hop onto and grab to. So, anyway, let's throw some of these in the aquarium and we'll see if we want to return them later, but let's get started. Some in here. This filter could be washed, but I'm gonna grab some of the older ones, take these out and throw them into the other aquarium. Kind of like a swap. So we can have some beneficial bacteria start to grow in here. Throw some of these into here. I've been trying to grab all the old yellow ones out. Without any, without as much algae or moss I can not have would be preferable. Like I said, I've been trying to add it to here as much as I can. I'm trying to keeping it organized at the same time. Which isn't the easiest, let me tell you. These are some of the blue ones I want to keep in one location so I can put these back eventually. Look at the filter floss doing its job. I'm gonna throw this in here for right now. Hopefully you catch some more gunk. So this is the Amazon page, link, whatever. Link will be down in the description. But if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. I think for the price, it's definitely worth it. It's very coarse. I think it's paid $40 for it. I think it came out to each one to like 30 cents or more. Pretty close to that. But definitely recommend. I mean, out of all of them, I think only 8 of them came in broken. So I mean, it's expected to happen, and you can still technically use them. So it's not really a loss. But definitely check it out. Put the link down below. It will be an affiliate link though. So just so you guys are aware. Anyway, thanks. Look at this stingray. It's a little dirty. I was cleaning out the filter with a huge datnoid. So big. Tiny little guy. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.